Good morning, world. Good morning, Africa. Good evening, world. Good evening, Africa. I am Naliaho. I'm in Nyabohanse village, and today is day 3. I'm headed to Daniel's construction site. It's not day 3, it's day 4. It has to be day 4. Today is day 4 at Daniel Mwita's site, and it's an exciting morning. It is a bit, it's not sunny, it's a bit gloomy. The morning looks a bit windy. It is windy and cold, and right now I want to head to the site. It's a very beautiful morning also because it's very refreshing. The air and the surrounding, it's very nice, very serene, and very silent. Today being a Monday, where everybody is at work, is going to their workplaces, and let's see how the day is going to turn out. Thank you, and keep on subscribing, keep on viewing and sharing my channel. And thank you to all my subscribers, Marwa subscribers, my Yugna subscribers. You are very strong people, and I love you so much. Keep on. I'm almost on 400. It's a miracle. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this. Wow. So please keep supporting me. I push to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, and God bless you all, my subscribers. I am now to the site, the road to Daniel Mwita's construction site. Here it is. Here is the road to the site. There is the site. From from ahead you can see it. So here I am ready to check the bulls. Head on. Here we are at the site. So I am Naliaho, is officially at Daniel Mwita's construction site. We are at Daniel Mwita's construction site. The work is picking up slowly, starting slowly, as the builders are waiting for stones to come. They're just trying to fill the rooms with the soil. And also this side has to be finished. When the stones come, they'll be arranged. Then they do the scrading. So it's another slow morning. But things will pick up as the day goes on. The stones are here. The stones are here. The material is here.
Finally, the materials are here.
Yeah, the long-awaited stones, boulders, they are here. Let the work begin.
Yeah, now let the work begin.
Unaona Kasongo? Anarudi asubuhi.
Hapo kupanga.
One more. That one is big.
It's big.
Let's put this one. That's okay. That's okay. Hii imekuwa mzito zaidi.
Kwa mzito.
Okay, mta.
Here we are. One, two, three. Guys, we are on it. We are working it out. One, two, three. Na mwisho Mwita, si ndio? Mbegeti yako kwa mama.
Iko sawa, iko sawa.
Iko sawa? Hakuna hujakoa. One, two, three. Puso ya pita. One, two, three. What a man can do, a woman can do.
Can do.
Huh? Sindio?
Can do better.
Wait, what a man can do, a woman can do better.
We can't agree with that.
You cannot
Why can't
agree.
you not agree?
There's
What
some
a man
things
can
which you
do, a
can't
woman
do.
can do better.
Like what?
Even better.
Like what?
I think on Saturday you have been here, and you saw what man was doing here, and they
Like
said you are
making the motor.
Yeah,
But I did also because
You
I
tried.
also didn't make the motor.
you can't do from morning up to
Yeah, I
evening.
cannot.
You cannot.
Yeah.
So stop saying that.
But I also it doesn't mean the quality. They mean I can also do it. You see?
So they should stop the word better.
But the things. No, not.
Yeah,
the
they
word
should
better.
stop saying about it. They should.
Let's go. Natatosha.
Kidogo kidogo jaza kibaba. Small small, it
Okay.
makes many. Pole.
I think it's
Hey, who gave you that translation?
Small small makes many.
Next man.
Kidogo kidogo jaza kibaba.
I'm already sweating. This is the
Small small stones make big stones. One, two, three.
basi napiga hapa.
Imetosha.
Umechukua almost
We are still
uangalie but
going
imeenda
on.
video.
As I told you earlier, work started slowly, but now it's catching up, and we've been caught up in it. We are really carrying boulders today,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be a long day, a long afternoon. So we are keep on pushing, and we'll see how it will end.
So guys, I'm here.
Yes.
I am his partner.
Yeah.
We are carrying. What is the name of this thing?
Machera.
Machela. Huh?
Yeah.
Stretcher.
It's a stretcher.
Stretcher.
You just don't translate. You just call
It's
machera.
called Machela in Swahili. We are using it to carry stone. I am his partner.
Yeah.
And guys, so go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. I go by the name Fama Travels on YouTube.
Yes.
Please subscribe, share, like,
Yeah.
and also comment that you came from Nadia House channel.
Yes.
I am Nadia. Thank you so much. Let's continue.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Yeah. Unaweza
Imetosha. It is lunchtime. Work is progressing on well. This is the part that had remained for putting boulders after the materials came. Now they are about to finish up with this place. So after we've worked here in carrying these boulders, it's lunchtime. We are resting a bit as others are finishing up, because this is the only part that is remaining, as you can see. Otherwise, as you can see, the soil has been filled up on this foundation layer. Things are progressing on well, very well. These blocks, they are going to build the inner walls, as I've been told. The outer walls, they are bringing some they are bringing some other blocks that have been cut by machines. They are going to build the outer walls. So things are moving on well at Daniel's construction site.
Mara mnatuambia eka ndani, mara eka juu. Sasa mnakalia msimamo gani?
So all these stones are going to build the inner walls, and the outer wall will be constructed with the machined wall stones that have been cut by the machine are going to build the outer walls. So it's all good here. The work is progressing on well. The work is progressing on well. This is the side that had remained unfinished, but now it's finished. They are winding up on this side. Now the only thing remaining is doing the screeding on this part. The screeding. Here's where the mortar is being prepared. The mortar for the screeding. is Mwita
Let me show you.
underscore Dan
Yeah.
shoveling the soil inside.
Guys, it is not easy.
Yeah, it is not easy. It's very working under the hot sun.
Yeah.
Today we've worked under the very hot sun.
But
Very, very hot.
revolving is not easy.
Yeah, they have to levelize the rooms.
The same time digging.
At the same time doing what?
Digging.
Digging, yeah.
Dig.
You have to dig and shovel the soil inside the rooms.
You can see how it is.
Yeah,
Yeah, but Africa we have a lot of energy.
yeah. Africans, we do have a lot of energy.
Yeah.
That is what Mwita underscore Dan is saying. Let me go and check out these blocks that were made. These blocks, I find them to be magnificent. The way they are made. These blocks, they are not like what our blocks in the village. The ones we just use sand from the termite hill. I want to see how it is. It's stuck down. See how it is. This is how it looks. Sand and cement block. They are ready to be used for the inner walling. See, the dimensions are 16. The height is 7. This is the height, is 7 inches, 16 inches by 7. The width is 6 inches. Very, 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 very nice looking blocks. I love them. Wish I could use this in Bungoma, Kabukuya village. Shoveling.
Guys, welcome back
Yes.
to this amazing channel.
Yes.
I hope all doing good wherever you are.
Yeah.
We are in Bohansi. It is known we are still here at the Daniel's construction, and the work is going nicely. As you can see, the foundation is done, almost done, because we want to do screeding on the remaining parts, and then we shall call it the day. So I think from tomorrow we start raising the wall, and the house will start coming up. So I think you are all doing good.
Yes.
Go and check me out, Mwita underscore Dani.
Yes.
Kindly subscribe, show love,
Yes.
and show support on that channel.
Yes.
And don't forget to show the same love you've
Yes.
been showing in the previous days. I think
Yes.
previous three days.
3 to 4 days.
Yeah, you've been doing well, and I really congratulate you for doing so.
Yes.
Actually, keep subscribing.
Yes.
Make sure you take my boss all the way from Bungoma to
Yes.
1,000 subscribers. He will really appreciate.
Yes.
And also me, kindly check my YouTube channel, Mwita underscore Dani. Show love the same guys. So let me work because I need to clear. There's a room remaining over the side.
Yes.
I think the room I'm working for,
Yes.
and I think after that it will be done.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
So thank you so much.
yeah, Dan is shoveling the soil inside the rooms. He's filling the rooms with the soil.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's great. That is very great. It's lunchtime.
Maybe they're flying from US, or maybe someone is sending money to buy our meat.
This is called
It's lunchtime.
US California style.
Wow. Hebu rudia hiyo.
Do you know Zambezi
Those are the
style?
those are our chefs
Yes.
today,
Eh.
and
This
this
is
is
the
the
best
meal. Very salivating. We are also salivating. I think my saliva is reaching my chest. Very nice. Looks delicious. Wow. This is going to be a one unique lunch. Yes. From the usual that we are given.
Oh, this is the first time.
Yes. We're having good meal, nice meal now at the site. Mm.
Guys, we thought well of you all.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Who is our chef?
She's.
She's. What's her
Me
name?
too.
This meal has been prepared by three
You too.
people.
You are
Who are the three people?
No.
of this.
Proudly African,
I'm a good.
Chacha Tales, and Robbie Glam.
And
Wait,
Robbie
wait,
Glam.
Big Glam.
Robbie Glam.
And
Robbie
Robbie
Glam.
Glam.
Robbie Glam.
African.
Oh,
Proudly African. Wow. Those are our chefs for today.
And
And
this is
Chacha
what-
tells.
This is what we used to carry the spuria.
And these
Avocado leaves.
these are the handles for
Didn't have the
carrying.
cartons.
Ah. Very nice, very nice.
Our lunch is here.
Our lunch is ready. So guys, bon appetit, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yeah.
How does the food look? From just the look.
Like it's
Like
like
delicious.
international.
It is
international,
delicious.
5-star hotel.
They usually say delicious.
delicious.
And
Delicious.
5-star. This is 5-star.
I like
5-star.
the
Yeah, but I've found a food like this.
the,
Yeah.
the flavor.
Even in Migori County, my friend. I'm telling you. This is from US. I'm telling you, man.
From
It
Jamaica,
looks nice.
California.
Pleasant to the eyes.
Caribbean.
When you say Caribbean plus Jamaica, this is a different country, bros. Together, you
This
go.
comes from all continents.
All continents.
Yeah.
Oh, Jamaica with
Jamaica, Brazil,
Brazil.
Argentina, name
Mexico.
them. Mexico, Cambodia,
Cambodia.
Afghanistan, yes,
Bolivia.
Bolivia.
Bolivian.
Uh-huh.
Bas.
Which one?
Peru.
Bahamas,
Peru.
Where? Qatar, Tanzania.
St. Kitts, we have forgotten St. Kitts Islands.
Yes.
Tutoke tuko nyuma tupite tu hivi tukiserve hivi. Tukiendanga hivi. Let's go. Utanawa mkono ukirekodi.
Yeah. Here's everybody want to eat.
Yeah.
There goes the tipper. It has just brought sand. So we have sand.
Dan, tumefikia hapo Dan. Dan, the way I respect you. Wana, chukua tamako Dan, utanipigia.
Yes. Daniel Mwita's construction site. Things are progressing on well. It's 5 o'clock in the evening and the builders are still here. They have started doing the walling. They have started doing the walling. They've started doing the walling. Things are progressing on. It's beautiful work, very beautiful work happening here. You can see Daniel Mwita's house is coming up. The walling has already started. So viewers, you can see the house is taking shape. It's really great. Today being day 4 at Daniel Mwita's construction site. It's all happening here in Nyabo Hanse village. So my viewers, it's been great today being a Monday at Daniel Mwita's site, and the day has been great. Work is progressing on well, and it's evening at 5 o'clock, and I'm calling it a day for me. It's me, I am Naliaho from Bungoma, and thank you subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Thank you Marwa subscribers, thank you Mayugno subscribers. You're all powerful people. I love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. Keep on subscribing and supporting me in all ways. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. Thank you.